Hey guys, it's Julia and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be walking you guys through how to create your own personal mantra using a formula and methodology that I personally created. On my website, I actually have a free workshop that you can take. It's a 2-day email-based workshop that walks you through everything that we're going to be talking about today, and you'll get access to some PDF worksheets and reflections that you can type right into on your computer or print it out, fill it out, whatever works best for you, and I will leave all the details in the description box down below. So first, let's actually define what exactly a mantra is. The word mantra is actually originated in Hinduism and Buddhism, and traditionally it is a sacred utterance, word, or phrase to aid concentration in meditation. And over the years, the intention behind the word mantra has broadened a bit to aid in positive thinking and manifestation. Now, I'm sure you're probably wondering what exactly a mantra can do for me, and honestly, it could do a lot of things. It stimulates positive thinking to rid yourself of limiting beliefs. It also helps you focus on a goal that you want to take action on. You'll feel empowered and confident, and it also uses the law of attraction to embed these statements into our subconscious mind, allowing us to transform our thoughts into reality. My personal favorite mantra of all time is I manifest the things I want. And it's such a simple yet powerful mantra for me. And what's great about mantras is that it can be ever-changing. It can change according to whatever you may be going through, and your personal mantra should be something that is meaningful to you and evokes a positive feeling. You can also have monthly mantras that apply for a shorter period of time to help you reach your monthly goals, and you can also have a combination of yearly mantras or just personal mantras that relate to you. So I've created a method to create your own personal mantra, which is called the ADMD method, where an effective personal mantra is an affirmative statement in the present of something that you desire that is both measurable and declarative. And the first step in building your mantra is to truly do some reflection. In my free workshop, I have a 2-page reflection that really helps you identify your limiting beliefs and helps you identify exactly what you desire. And once you've spent some time answering these prompts, then we can move forward to actually building your mantra using the formula that I created, which is a present affirmation plus what you desire equals your personal mantra. Examples of a present affirmation are I am, I can, I will, I do, I attract, and then you put in exactly what you desire and it'll kind of come together and piece together. Let's actually build a few mantras together using this formula. For example, let's say you are looking for love and maybe your limiting beliefs include that you are not worthy of love, and a simple mantra to accommodate that would be I am worthy of love. It's so simple and also really powerful. Even though you may not believe it right now, the whole point of a mantra is to be something that you desire so that you can work towards it. And as you use your mantra in your daily routine, whether that be by journaling it every day or reciting it to yourself in the mirror, whatever that may be for you, your mindset will change from negative to positive because you are proclaiming this mantra as being true. Let's do another one. Let's say that you desire to be more happy. Your mantra can be I choose to be happy this day and every day. Now, this mantra is also very simple, but honestly, being happy is a constant struggle. It's something that you have to choose to be. And I really like this mantra because you're kind of empowering yourself to be in control because you are choosing to be happy. And your mantra should be something that evokes a powerful feeling within yourself. And my mantra may not evoke the same feeling for you that it does for me. And that's okay because honestly, we're all going through different things and we desire different things and are in different stages of our lives. But the key here is to strive for your mantra to be something that is empowering to you and something that you can work towards. And once you've created your personal mantra, you want to incorporate it into your daily routine by reciting it to yourself and most importantly, taking action upon it. It's one thing to say something, but then another thing to actually take action upon it and do something about it. And that's really important because, you know, change doesn't happen overnight and it doesn't happen just by thinking it. Positive thinking obviously has a really big impact in manifestation, but it is ultimately up to you to put in the work to make it become your reality. The mind is so powerful, and having a personal mantra can really help you change your perspective and the way that you react to things. It is really positive, and I highly recommend having a personal mantra. I started the Mantra Co as a inspirational, motivational account that had a lot of quotes and mantras, and it quickly grew to a worldwide community. And I'm so grateful that I was able to, you know, share what a mantra exactly is to so many people around the world and touch people and help influence them in positive ways. If you're not following us on Instagram already, please definitely check us out. We create monthly mantras for every zodiac sign as well as just for the month in general, and have a lot of positivity, a lot of empowering quotes and mantras throughout. And I really hope that you guys have learned something from this video. Definitely check out my free workshop in the description box down below. It is a super quick and easy 2-day email-based workshop that literally kind of walks you through exactly what we just talked about, but it has really good PDF worksheets that are really great tools to kind of guide you through. If you guys have any questions or help creating your personal mantra, leave me a comment down below or send me a DM at the Mantra Co. I am more than happy to help you. I'd love to see what you guys come up with after watching this video and using my formula and methodology. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.